This time, on Still Chasing Snow, Francis parks the sled in the wrong spot, we scooch down the mountain, and Louisa shows us how it's done.
Well, it's dumping snow out today. Visibility is quite poor, but we've got a good route. We're gonna hit our old trusty run right now called Kermit. Because Kermit's easy. He's a green.
And it's about what we can see.
Well, we can't see anything, but we know it pretty well. Let's do it.
We're all ready to double up the mountain, and then we realized, you know what? Parked that sled in the wrong spot. Time to move the sled to a better parking spot. This looks pretty good. All right, back up to the sled. Okay, now we're ready. Let's get to the top of the mountain. Really can't see anything up here. Do it.
All right, let's go.
Let's get that Kermit, maybe. Oh my gosh. This is so much snow.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my gosh.
I'm stuck.
Stay on my track and leapfrog me. So much snow, not quite that steep.
And Louisa's stuck. Okay, change of plans.
Should have taken the sled down here.
So now we're gonna lay a track with the sled so that we've got a packed down trail to follow, gain some speed, so that this run is a lot more fun. That is so much better.
Oh my gosh, this is so much snow.
That was a decent run. We need to find a little steeper terrain today, but we still want to be safe. Time to check out Radcliffe.
Wow.
All right, go get it.
Radcliffe has a short, steep little hike, but I think it's gonna be worth it today.
Get that pow.
And oh yeah, is it worth it?
It's awesome, Al. Go ahead.
All right, here I go.
Just a little bonus, some tight, steep trees with that deep pow. So good.
Woo! That was worth it, Al.
Whoa.